Okay, awesome. Looks like we're recording. I'll share my screen and I'll just be going over this SQL project that I've been working on just to brush up on SQL and learn how to integrate it with other software. Let's move these Zoom controls. And this is the README that kind of goes over it. This is where this video will be posted. And let's take a look at the code. So this is how it works. So it's just a basic contact list, just a single table thing that it can store the contact information and query it in different ways. So we'll display the contacts that I have in here so far, and we can add a contact. We can add Joe Smith. His address is 1234 Fake Address Lane. His phone number is 555. Company is he's a and we can display and see him right there. But I actually put his number in wrong. So if I just update, so I want to update Joe Smith. His phone was wrong. So I'll, oh, whoops, I put phone instead of 1. I should do some input validation to correct that. That's something I'll probably work on soon. So I want to update Joe Smith. His phone 3, not spelling it out. His phone number is actually 444. Actually all 4, so I got that wrong. So we'll double check. Yep, that's updated now. And I have my mom's contact information memorized, so we'll delete. Who do I want to delete? I want to delete mom. Look, yep, sure enough, she's gone. And then maybe I want to get a list of everyone's names and phone numbers. Maybe I'm gonna need to contact everyone, and I don't need to be distracted by their address. So I want to do the name and their phone. Those are the 2, and then that's it. And so now I've got a list of all the names and phones. Phone numbers. And so how I did this was I leveraged SQLite, obviously here in Python using VS Code. So I created this database called contacts, and just here's the structure of the menu, and then I have these SQL commands using SQLite, so I can select from it, and then so I'm selecting all from the contacts, and I can go through and print all the information. And here's another spot I'm using SQL, so I'm inserting into the contacts database with these values that I assign right here, that the user inputs right here. And then let's see, here's another one, updating. Same thing, the user puts in the new name. That's the value that's being assigned here. And so if this is another like a sub menu. So if they're updating someone, it gives them an option, what do they want to update? So depending on which thing they want to update, it will ask them for the new address or the new phone, and then it'll run this SQL command and update it. The rest is pretty similar. This one was a little different than the rest. So depending on what they wanted to query, they could just enter initializing this loop right here. And then they can click Q once they've entered all the things that they want. And it'll just add things to the list as we go through it. So if they put in phone, then it'll be saved into here, and that'll be added to the list right here. And then I'll just print the list and pop off the first, because the first time through the loop it adds something. So I'll take that off and then turn it into a string is what this join function is doing, and then just printing it. And then using that, this SQL statement to select those things that were just printed. And then this is just formatting it a little bit nicer. So that was my project of just attempting to learn a little bit more SQL and integrating it. It worked out pretty well, and I'm hoping to add a GUI on here soon to be a little more user-friendly and give me some more experience really integrating SQL to something that is more user-friendly. And I'm hoping to add some more query options so people can choose to query more specific things. But yeah, that's my project. Thanks for watching.